terms of national and international acclaim, Margaret River is Western Australia's most famous wine region, and for good reason. The rockstar varieties are Chardonnay and Cabernet. It has a really disproportionately high quality for the amount of total wines that it makes.
Margaret River has this youthful sophistication which really gives it a unique feeling. It's where the bush meets the ocean. There's just so much produce down there. We have cheese, bread, oils, so much available to people.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the wines that they have here.
I'm excited to taste these wines.
I know we're in Margaret River wine region, so it makes sense that you're doing abalone. But what are some of the other flavours that you've chosen to do with it? Because I've picked some wines, I just want to make sure I'm on the right track.
Abalone, pairing it with a seaweed butter sauce and some little coastal herbs to finish off.
I'm so pleased that you said that because we're looking at 3 2018 Chardonnays.
I do like Chardy.
Yeah, good, me too. So we have Howard Park's Icon Chardonnay, which is their Allingen, again from this great 2018 vintage. And I'm going to do something a little bit different here and open at the same time the Vas Felix.
Ooh.
It's cool, right?
That's very nice.
They are both incredible wines. Let's get cooking.
Excellent. This is farmed abalone, grown in the wild though, right on the southern tip of the Margaret River region. Extremely sustainable. What we're going to do, take the abalone out, we're going to actually crumb it, keep it really simple. It's very delicious. One of my favourite ways to eat abalone. Finish it off with some beautiful salty coastal herbs and a seaweed and butter sauce. So super simple dish, really delicious and should pair very well with the wine.
There's a real lightness to this. Try it with the Heytesbury. That coastal herb has just got this lift and this lightness to it.
Wow. So both wines work really well with
yeah, the
dish.
Heytesbury works with the abalone meat and the Allingen works with the seaweed sauce. Like, wow.
So we're just going to have to
Drink both.
Take both.
Drink
Beautiful.
both, yeah.
Awesome.